1. What article of the Argentine Federal Constitution specifically addresses the right to access, correct, and update personal data? A. Article 42b, Article 43c, Article 44d, Article 45. Correct answer. B. Article 43. 1. Under which law is the foundation of Argentina's data protection legislation established? A. Personal Information Security Law. B. Data Privacy Act. C. Personal Data Protection Law. D. Information Privacy Law. Correct answer. C. Personal Data Protection Law. 1. Which of the following is recognized by the European Commission for its adequacy in data protection, facilitating the free flow of personal data from the EU? A. Brazil. B. Argentina. C. Mexico. D. Chile. Correct answer. B. Argentina. 1. What type of personal data includes information revealing racial or ethnic origin, political opinions, or data concerning health? A. General personal data. B. Public data. C. Sensitive data. D. Non-sensitive data. Correct answer. C. Sensitive data. 1. Who requires the registration of databases intended to supply personal data in Argentina? A. The Federal Data Protection Court. B. The National Data Protection Authority. C. The Personal Data Security Committee. D. The Information Privacy Bureau. Correct answer. B. The National Data Protection Authority. 1. Which condition allows the transfer of personal data to countries or international organizations that do not provide adequate protection? A. Prior approval by the Data Protection Authority. B. Data subjects' explicit consent. C. Transfer is required by law for public interest. D. Both B and C. Correct answer. D. Both B and C. 1. What are entities responsible for personal data required to implement in Argentina? A. Basic security protocols. B. Technical and organizational measures. C. Digital encryption methods only. D. Manual security systems. Correct answer. B. Technical and organizational measures. 1. Which of the following best describes Argentina's requirement for breach notification? A. Mandatory for all data breaches. B. Not specifically mandated. C. Only for sensitive data breaches. D. Required within 72 hours of the breach. Correct answer. B. Not specifically mandated. 1. What type of penalties does the Argentine data protection framework include for violations? A. Only criminal penalties. B. Only fines. C. Fines, criminal penalties, and court actions. D. Public apologies. Correct answer. C. Fines, criminal penalties, and court actions. 1. Which of the following is necessary for electronic marketing under Argentina's data protection laws? A. Government approval. B. Data subject consent. C. Notification to the National Data Protection Authority. D. A public listing of email recipients. Correct answer. B. Data subject consent. 1. How does the European Commission view Argentina in terms of data protection? A. As requiring improvement. B. As adequate. C. As superior. D. As inadequate. Correct answer. B. As adequate. 1. What must entities do before transferring personal data from Argentina to other countries? A. Notify the data subject. B. Ensure the receiving country has adequate protection. C. Obtain consent from the National Data Protection Authority. D. Both A and B. Correct answer. D. Both A and B. 1. How is sensitive data defined under Argentine law? A. Data that is encrypted. B. Data that can cause harm if disclosed. C. Data revealing deeply personal attributes. D. Data used for security purposes. Correct answer. C. Data revealing deeply personal attributes. 1. What is the role of the National Data Protection Authority in the context of database registration? A. Provides encryption services. B. Requires registration and details about databanks. C. Directly manages all national databases. D. Monitors online transactions only. Correct answer. B. Requires registration and details about databanks. 1. In what scenario is the transfer of personal data to entities outside Argentina permitted without needing to ensure equivalent protection? A. When transferring to governmental bodies. B. When it involves public data. C. With the data subject's explicit consent. D. In the case of international trade agreements. Correct answer. C. With the data subject's explicit consent. 1. What encompasses the security measures required by Argentine data protection law? A. Firewalls and antivirus software. B. Physical security guards. C. Measures to prevent unauthorized access and data loss. D. Biometric security systems. Correct answer. C. Measures to prevent unauthorized access and data loss. 1. Under what circumstances must security breach records be maintained? A. At the discretion of the data controller. B. For internal use only. C. Upon request by the Data Protection Authority. D. Always, regardless of authority request. Correct answer. C. Upon request by the Data Protection Authority. 1. What distinguishes electronic marketing privacy requirements in Argentina from general data protection principles? A. They are less strict. B. They require additional consent forms. C. They are the same as general data protection principles. D. They apply only to digital platforms. Correct answer. C. They are the same as general data protection principles. 1. Which authority is responsible for enforcing data protection laws in Argentina? A. The Ministry of Justice. B. The National Data Protection Authority. C. The Federal Police. D. The Information Technology Security Agency. Correct answer. B. The National Data Protection Authority. 1. What must be included in the registry of data banks, according to Argentine data protection law? A. Only the types of stored personal data. B. The purpose and security measures of the data bank. C. The financial details of the data subject. D. The encryption methods used. Correct answer. B. The purpose and security measures of the data bank.